the grant obviously goes a huge way towards that. But what other things are Octopus doing to address to bring down that cost?
I think there's a few things. One is the vertical integration of creating our own heat pump. There's some very clever stuff that comes with that. One, it's built with installers in mind, so it's easier to install. Yeah, so it's got sort of modular componentry, so it's much easier to plug together. That should help reduce the install time. We're also doing stuff, if you imagine, the old Formula One analogy where you look at each step in a process and try and speed it up, delivering some of the heat pump already pre-assembled. So, the first day on a job, you're there going through all the inventory and seeing what's been delivered and counting it all off against the delivery note to see what you've got. We're now getting stuff that comes in a pod that's actually already, some of the stuff is pre-assembled. So some of the, around the heat pump itself and the core fittings. So that saves you time. So we're looking at the end-to-end process and trying to speed up install, but keeping quality in mind because you've got to make sure that, the thing works at the end of the day. I think the other bit that we're doing is we're also looking at, the actual process of buying the heat pump. It can be very complicated. One of the big benefits, I think, of what the government has done is the 7.5K is a simple scheme. It's easy to get your head around, which I think is quite good. But the MCS piece, where they've almost put this standard in place that is sort of a seal of quality that says if you are an MCS installer and you're approved by MCS, you're going to get it installed at a certain level of quality. We've been looking at how do you gather the information through the journey such that when you come to install, everyone knows exactly what they need to do and what the spec is. So I think that's another piece of the jigsaw.